Welcome. Today in front of me TOSCIDO M863, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, select the screen you want to add the widget. For example, I'll go with this one. Now just hold for a while your device screen, and after that just tap here to the widget section. Now we can see all the applications on our device, which widgets we can add to our device home screen. For example, we can add the clock or the calendar, the schedule. Just hold for a while the widget and drag it to the home screen by this way. If you want, we can resize the widget. Just hold it, and after that just make it smaller or bigger. If you wanna just move this this widget here on the screen, just hold it and drag it. For example, here also we can move the widget between the screens, or also we can create the new screens with the widget. And just to remove the widget, just hold it for a while and drag it here to remove icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.